Yeah, it's yourself.
No, no. Para sa akin, college is actually part of your lifetime. Na kailan ka magkakaroon ng opportunity na yung parents mo, you're an adult, okay, you're independent,
Yeah.
ng parents mo ang nagsusustento sa'yo.
Yes. Oo nga.
Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-aral ka.
Aral lang.
Yeah, mag-aral ka lang. And then, of course, at that, during that time, you'll be able to harness yung communication skills.
Yes.
Dito yung magfo-form yung mga connections.
Yes.
Kasi these are lifetime connections, yung mga friends mo sa college.
Yes. Yeah.
Kasi
Totoo
you're gonna
yan.
be building a lot
yan.
of memories.
Totoo
Like,
yan.
remember when we were young,
Aha.
These are the people na
Yeah.
pwede mong maging best man or
Yeah.
groomsman on your wedding.
Correct.
These
New
are
friends, new people,
new
new
friends.
faces.
And
Oo.
these are the people that will be your ally when you're trying to build a business. These are the people that maybe, magiging CEO or hiring manager.
Tama.